Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it. And all you have to do right now is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history right here, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened websites. Of course, you can remove only one of it or two of them just by tapping on this X button right next to them. And as you can see, they immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, then just go to the very top of the list and tap on Clear Browsing Data. Here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and all of those options are defaultly marked. What's more, after going to advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you'd like to remove them, just make sure that they will be marked like here. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you are ready to remove the data, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history has been immediately cleared because this page is empty right now. So that's why we can say that everything has been removed successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.